Hey girl, welcome back. Yes, I'm giving you another makeup tutorial, so if you want to see how to get this beautiful vampy fall look with a hint of orange, be sure to stay tuned. Before we get into the eyes, you want to start with the brows. Remember what I said in my previous videos? Yep, they're sisters, not twins. And I know in this video I made my brows way too dark, but that's okay because I went to Sephora and got me some new brow stuff anyway, so that's going to be fixed in the next video. And then after you put on your eyebrows, you want to put on some eyelid primer before you go in with your concealer to fix those flaws in the brows and set a nice base for your eyeshadow. Now go in with a dark brown color and put that only on the outside of your eye. So you don't have to worry about it being perfect because look, you blend it out. It's meant to blend into your skin and act as a nice little shadow whenever you put on your eyeshadow. And this is where the orange comes in. I'm going in with a kind of burnt orange color into the inner crease of my eye, and then I'm going to blend that into the brown. Now I'm using my blending brush to put a kind of taupe brown around the edge of the orange and the dark brown to blend that into my eyelid a little bit more. And then I'm going to take some concealer and only put that on the inside of my eye because that's where the highlight is going to be. And then I'm going to go back and put some tape on because you're going to see next I'm going to go back in with that dark brown color right about now. And I'm going to blend that back in so that way I can just diffuse the addition of the concealer. Then you're going to go back in with your eyeshadow brush and put that same dark orange color in between the brown and your concealer, and then you want to finish that with a nice little black line. Put on your foundation per usual, nothing special. I decided to do something a little light, so I'm only putting a little bit of concealer on right after I put on my foundation to blend it in a little bit more and make it look, you know, kind of natural. This is up to personal preference, but sometimes I like to blend the darker color on the edge of my eye just to make it look a little bit, you know, not as harsh. And then I'm going to go in with some Iconic lashes. And these are my babies, y'all. I did not know the power of lashes until I got them, and I think I'm in love. So yes, you're going to be seeing more makeup looks with lashes. Now what I did there was take some of the leftover concealer and put it underneath my eye, and now I'm taking the Better Than Sex mascara and putting that on my natural lash. Don't put them on the falsies. I'm just doing that so they look a little more realistic and blend in with the natural lashes a little bit more. Now just line your lower lash line, then pop in that champagne, then finish the look with the lip of your choice. I started off the day with a dark vampy look, and then I went to a natural nudish lip, and these are the results. What do you think? And voila! That's the look. This was such a simple look, easily recreatable. Give me a thumbs up, tell me what you think, and let me know if you try it out. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.